Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download Bluestacks in laptop. To download and install Bluestacks in your laptop or desktop PC, just follow the steps as shown in this guide. Bluestacks is an Android emulator for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Mac computers that allows users to run Android apps and games on their laptop or desktop computer. Open the link given in the video description. So once you open that link, you will see two versions of Bluestacks, BlueStack 5 and BlueStack 10. BlueStack 5 is more suitable for gamers who want to play Android games on their PC as it provides pure Android experience, but it requires a good spec laptop. While BlueStack 10 is more suitable for developers and businesses who want to test or deploy Android apps. It's also best for low spec computer. Please note that setup might install some additional software related to your hardware if required. For this tutorial, we are going to install BlueStack 5. So we are going to click on it. Now click to open it. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Click on install now. Once BlueStack is installed, open Bluestacks. This is the main screen of Bluestacks. Click on Google Play Store icon. Now sign in with your Google account. You can now browse and download application just as you would on your Android device. To download an app, simply search for it in the Google Play Store. If we type Cam Scanner, simply click the install button and this app will then be downloaded and installed on your laptop. So that's it. You now know how to download Bluestacks in laptop. In the end, if this video is somewhat helpful to you, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.